Welcome back to my channel. Make sure that you stay until the end. But I just wanted to show you guys that I redid the toilet paper picture light that I did before. This looks 20 times better than the first one. So yeah, the first one was like a dry draft or whatever, and this time I really like the way this came out. I actually used Dollar Tree products, a toilet paper roll, and then some things I already have from Michael's. But yeah, it's an easy craft or whatever. It just takes time to do this. But yeah, what I wanted to do, like I said before the other video, I always walk past this and everybody that comes in does too, and so I wanted something that was going to make people stop and read this, pay attention. I feel like it's very important to read this when you go in and come in, well, come in and go out. But yeah, let me show you guys how this works. So if you have seizures, epilepsy, anything like that, you may want to turn. This is going to be a lot of flashing lights, okay? So hold on. So what I did was I made a little cutout so it can hide the control in here. And so, yeah. So this has 3 different modes. So the first mode is the flashing light. Okay, and I'm going to turn the light off so you can see it a little bit better. Woo! Goodness gracious. Okay, and then the next one is a slower flash. Okay, and then the next one is still. I think the still is my favorite. Okay, and then I can just turn it off too, but I'm gonna leave it with the still on right now. But yeah, so that's what I like about it. I got those flashing, what is it called? The fairy lights. I got them a pack of 12 for like $10 or less from Amazon, and they have 3 different modes, and it came with like 12 batteries. It was a 12 pack. You can't beat that, okay? All right, so that's for that craft. If you want details, just let me know in the comments, and I'll do a detailed version, like break it down how I made it exactly. Okay, and then I'm going to show you my next craft. Now remember the first paper towel roll holder I made, it was a disaster, but I was glad I made it anyway. Okay, so this is the one I just did tonight, well, earlier this morning or whatever, but I'm showing it off now. What I did with this one was this came on a glitter. It was like this glitter roll wrap right here, and this is way stronger than the paper towel holder. The thing is, when you make these, you have to be careful about how much stuff you put on there, how you bedazzle it, because it got so heavy that I couldn't hang it on the wall. So this is actually it's on a tray. So what I did was just put it, slid it down on the toilet, a paper towel holder or whatever, and I was going to use it as a centerpiece. But what I decided to do was just put it here, kind of like on display with some of my other things or whatever. But yeah, I like the way this turned out. So let me turn this on for you. Again, there's going to be flashing lights. And I can do a breakdown, a tutorial if you guys want me to on how I did this one too. But yeah, these came out much better this time. So I put 2 in here because it's bigger. And it has 3 different modes, and I just had those there kind of like snow or whatever. Those are my muffs. I have my wrist muffs. I have like a matching top and boots that go to that, like a matching shawl, I should just say. And then, yeah, but this is my favorite to keep it on, and it really looks good in the dark. So I said this will be perfect for Christmas. And so I can like flip it any kind of way, but I'm just going to leave it. So it has 3 different modes like the other one does. This is my favorite. And then you can like switch up or whatever. I can have one still, one going, and then I can have both of them still. Yeah. And then I can turn them off. But it came out really pretty, okay? So I'm just going to put like the little fake snow back over here. Yeah. So just wanted to show that off. I might turn the light off so you guys can see what it looks like in the dark. But this came out so pretty. I'm really proud of myself. Okay, so if you haven't, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Okay, I'm not a professional yet at this stuff. So the stuff I'll be showing you guys is really like my first time trying this. But I'm like I said before, I'm happy how this turned out. Look how pretty that is, how that shines. And it's marbles, glitter, pieces of glass in there, pearl. It's really pretty. I wish you guys could see this in person. Okay, so hey, if you haven't already, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. All right, bye for now.